Well, guys, this might be the worst 5.0 swapped Foxbody on the planet. Here's why. What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to Brailsford's Rides. I'm Matt, and we are finally doing another Foxbody episode. We're in our 1985 Mustang LX 5.0 convertible TBI motor, and we are going to be testing out the draggy that we got for Christmas, long back at Christmas time. It's been a minute, but today we want to do a comparison to the TBI Fox and my daily driver and see what is a faster 0 to 60 vehicle. I have no idea how much horsepower the Foxbody has, but it's not a lot. But if you guys are interested in this video, click that like button down below. Don't forget to subscribe, and let's see what happens. I'm really pulling for the Foxbody here, but I kind of think that my 2003 Toyota Sequoia is going to have its number. But stay tuned and we'll find out. So I'm having an issue with this draggy. Every time I cut it to where it's like doing the film or the camera on-camera overlay, it's losing satellite signal. So we're just going to do it without the camera overlay and just do a pull, and I'll show you guys. I'll show you how it does. We should be able to get 2 pulls in because I don't want to blow up my daily. It's got high miles as it is. We're going to come to a dead stop. I don't even know if we'll be able to get to it before we got to turn around.
30. 60.
We went 0 to 60 in 9.15 seconds. And I will tell you right now,
Quarter mile.
That is faster than the last time I did a 0 to 60 in the Foxbody. So that's kind of concerning. Hopefully with the headers I did buy some time. But we're gonna do this again. Go.
30. 60.
Woo! 0 to 60, 8.97.
Quarter mile.
That's concerning, folks. That's sub 9 seconds. I'm not confident the Fox could beat that. It's gonna be close. We're gonna get one more guys, because the first one was kind of just me pulling out. We're gonna do a dead stop and punch it. Hold on, here we go.
30. 60.
Woo! 8.83 seconds. So 0 to 60, 8.83.
Quarter mile.
0 to 60, 8.83. That's the baseline the Foxbody's gonna have to beat. All right. So there's our 0 to 60 times. You got a 9.115, an 8.97, and 8.83. I don't think we're gonna be able to do much better than the 8.83 unless the temperature drops, but it's like perfect temperature for this right now. Honestly, I should pull the Boss and the Fox out if I could find time. I'm just probably not gonna find that time. All right, so now we got the draggy initializing, the Foxbody, and I got about a gallon of coffee in my crotch, so hopefully we don't have an accident here. So So first we're gonna try and do it without me having to shift, and then if I have to, we'll do one where I'm actually shifting the car. All right, we're waiting for traffic to clear, and we're gonna hit it. Here we go. Perfect. There's a Sequoia passing us. That's our goal. Ready? Go. A lot of wheel spin. That's not good. Uh-oh. 0 to 60 in 11.2. We had a lot of wheel spin, guys. That's a problem. We'll try again. Maybe with some warmed up tires this time. Here we go. Much better launch. .8, 10.89. Ouch. Ouch. I don't see this cresting into the 10s and the 9s, guys. We're gonna try it one more time. I'm gonna do the shifting this time, so you guys won't see the draggy till the end. A lot of wheel spin. Not good. 11.16. I don't think we're gonna do it, guys. I don't know if we can get in the 9s. We'll take the car back out when it's a little bit warmer, and then we'll do some more pulls, because I'm not getting any traction. So the time to beat is 8.83, I believe. Weather's warmed up, tires should be warm. Let's see if we spin, and let's try and get a launch in. I at least want to crack 10s, right? 10s in 0 to 60, that is. Sit right here for a second. There we go. Come on. Well, we improved a little bit. 10.73. We lost about a couple tenths of a second. We're doing 2 more times. Tire wasn't warm before, it definitely is now. We spun a bit. Oh, now the engine's gonna try and crap out. Oh, much better launch. Much better launch. Come on. Get it. Felt like a better launch, but it said 10.77. What the heck, man? Let's get one more in. I don't think cracking 10s is possible. Let's clear the carbon out. All right, here we go. Get it. Well, shave a few more tenths off. 10.43. There we go. Nope, stop. Well, let's do it again. Bad launch again. So we went 10.43, then 10.7. I think it's our last shot, guys. Last go. So you guys keep an eye on it. Ready, and... 1.76. Well, that's as good as it gets. We have a 10-second 0 to 60 Fox body. Probably the slowest Fox body on planet Earth. Horrible, horrible, horrible. I don't even know what to say, guys. That's embarrassing. We got to get that roller cam motor in here ASAP, or swap on a carburetor, get rid of this TBI ASAP. Something to get this thing a little more power while we still drive it. Because currently, guys, we are saving for the supercharger for the Boss. So that's kind of taking up the priority of funds right now. But yeah, we got to do something about this that's cost effective and quick. So what we learned is that with my long tube headers and cat pipe delete, we gained 0.5 seconds. We gained half a second back on our 0 to 60, because I believe the fastest we ran with the old setup was 10.9, and that was really cold out, so that's probably part of the reason. I think if we got less wheel spin, we probably could crack into the 9s. We probably could, but my wheels are spinning. I need new tires. It is what it is, right? There's like 150 or less horsepower in this thing. I'm surprised I was even spinning the wheels. I am kind of curious though. I want to play my draggy some more. I'll put a clip in here at the end of some 0 to 60 pulls in my wife's Explorer. It's got the 2.3 turbo EcoBoost. I'm curious if that's going to beat my my Sequoia. Well, guys, welcome back. If you stuck with us this long, this is the bonus footage. We're going to find out if my wife's daily, is faster than mine. So I daily drive a 2003 Toyota Sequoia with a 4.7 liter V8, and probably weighs about 6,000 pounds. And my wife drives a 2017 Ford Explorer with a 2.3 liter EcoBoost engine. So my engine puts out about 240 horsepower, whereas hers is about 300, and it's lighter, so this thing should stomp me. The time to beat is 8 seconds, or 8.8, and you know, I'm not even gonna be able to line up a perfectly straight launch, so if it can beat it, we're gonna know quick. And the cool thing is we've got sport mode here, so we're gonna throw her in sport mode, and we're just gonna see what happens. Went ahead and put the windows down, get the AC off. We want all the power to the motor. Got the draggy set up here. We're gonna switch her into sport mode. All right, here we go. Ready? Stop, and let's go. Whoop. Zero to 60 in 9.92, having to pull onto the road. This thing's definitely got some more in the tank. I think we can get a better launch than that. All right, let's see if we can break 883. All right, we're just gonna let the car shift itself this time. Ooh, it's close. 8.88. The Sequoia's holding it down. I think we're gonna leave it with that. Sequoia is victorious. Spring is in the air, guys, and we should be dropping a bunch of videos as the car show season goes by. But if you like this video, again, please click that like button down below. Don't forget to subscribe. If you're already subscribed, make sure you hit that bell notification icon to get notified of all future Mustang videos. But until next time, guys, stay safe, stay blessed, and we'll see you again on Brailsford's Rides. Take care.